Just like budget way, national government is looking for ECP. Have we received any money up until now? The answer is no. Mipla is not receiving one money since May last year. I come now May came. And first time no history no country. Ino Mipla dason. Me check na last time on talk West Kisim long. So me asking Tony Wo, me you tax it. And to look at don't sell 2 million dason. So me asking some not the governor. It's the same thing. So Mipla now, you look in how Mipla operate na Zambia, and Mipla operates no internal revenue. 12 months, Mipla no kisi one la money no kisi. 12 months. Just like heavy come up in the last 49 years and come up this year. Before it come, it never happens. This year and come up. I don't know what's happening with the national government. But I know there are problems, serious problems. People looking work me to make an airport law, diverting Waraya. And we can see money to but it's not our forte. And work the national government, the airport, the national government, you don't know Mipla and Mipla also customer taso. You don't know problem something. But if we don't do that, all on our extended runway, all on our building to club, then we don't play. So only to Yupla City working for we are the first province of government of history of Papua New Guinea. We are helping to extend the airport.